Hello, good evening, everyone. Welcome to this session of SteadyX, the use of the blackboard, or in other words, whiteboard, as sometimes we call it. So there are some few important things that we need to know when it comes to the use of the blackboard. So if we look at the left side of our blackboard, you see some icons there. So we're going to go through them briefly and how to maximize the use of the blackboard during lessons. The first button we can see is a folder icon, and once you place your cursor on it, see that there's another pop-up menu that is indicating or asking which of these are you trying to upload or are you trying to display. Is it a PDF? Is it a picture? Is it a Word document? Is it a PowerPoint? Is it a video, or is an audio document that you want to display here? So it means that from this angle we can either display any of these files depending on which one you are using for your presentation. So you can use a video, you can use a Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, and all those kind of stuff. Okay. So now we move to the next one, which is basically our cursor. Of course, we know what a cursor does. So the next one is our pen. And here when you click on the pen, you are given the option of choosing the color of the pen and the size of the pen. So I'm going to change my color from the default that is here to green. And so once I start typing, I have a green color. I can as well change the color again to what was there before. Okay, so any of the colors, depending on the one that you want to use to write, you can use that one to do your lesson. And I can equally change the size of the pen or the marker. I can increase it or decrease it. And so see, I've increased it, sorry, and I can as well decrease it. All right, so this is the use of the pen. So depending on what you want to use it for, then you can do as such. And so we have the next option, which is we have our shapes, custom shapes that are already there. So depending on which of the shapes you want to, you just pick it up, and then the color that you want to draw with, you click on the shape, and then so far as you start drawing, that shape will appear on your machine or on your PC. So that is for easy reference to some shapes that you may be using in the course of your work. So we have our text where you can, instead of writing, you can decide to type in the message yourself. Like I have done. So you can just type, instead of using the pen to write, you can use this one, the type or the text option as well. So that is a very good one there. And of course we have the option of as well selecting the colors for which we can type. We can as well do a screenshot of whatever it is that we are doing on our screen. So basically you have the option of um, 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 taking a specific portion of the screen and taking a shot of it. So realize that once you start, you can just take any part of the screen, and then you can take a shot of it. Okay, once you click on this particular button here, then you're good to go. It means that you've taken your screenshots and it will be saved and you can get it back as and when we are done. So we also have our undo as usual. Then we have this, of course, this the screenshot I just did. So we have the eraser here. For that case, you can erase anything at all that you have drawn. Okay. Then we have our toolbox. That's our timer. If you want to set a timer for maybe some work you want somebody to do, yes, that's just give them a time and then they can start work. And the last thing is here we have 3 pages for the use here. So after this you can flip to the next page and then you flip to the next page. Then that will be it for now. So thank you.